When wiring a house, there are many types of wires to choose from. Some copper, others aluminum. Some rated for outdoors, others indoors. In general, however, there are only a couple of varieties used for wiring a residential home. Romex, shown in yellow, is a trade name for a type of electrical conductor with non-metallic sheathing that is commonly used as residential branch wiring. In fact, Romex will be the most common cable you'll use in wiring houses. The following are a few basic facts about Romex wiring. Romex is a common type of residential wire that is categorized by the National Electrical Code as underground feeders, or UF, or non-metallic sheath cable, NM and NMC. NM and NMC conductors are composed of two or more insulated conductors contained in a non-metallic sheath. The coatings for NMC cable is non-conducting, flame resistance, and moisture resistance. Unlike other cables commonly found in homes, they are permitted in damp environments such as basements. Underground feeder conductors appear similar to NM and NMC cables, except that UF cables contain a solid plastic core that cannot be rolled between fingers. Romex is used for most lighting and outlet circuits in your home. Romex will be labeled as 12-2 or 12-3. The first number indicates the gauge of the wire. Your choices are typically 10, 12, or 14 gauge. The second number indicates the number of conductors. A 12-2 Romex will have a black, hot, and a white neutral wire, as well as an unsheathed copper wire for ground. A 12-3 Romex will have a black hot, a red hot, and a white neutral, and a bare copper. The red on a 14-3 is sometimes used for three-way light switches. 12-gauge Romex is rated for 20 amps and is commonly yellow jacketed. 14-gauge Romex is rated for 15 amps and is gray jacketed. 10-gauge Romex has a yellow jacket and is used for water heaters and clothes dryers. In addition to Romex wiring, a house also requires a few larger gauge wires for high-powered appliances. An air conditioner or an electric stove would fall into this category. This table you see here lists some of the common wire types and rated amperages for wires in a house. Ready to go beyond just solving problems? If you've been following my daily post and enjoying the sample problems, you're going to love this. All of these problem sets and more are now available, or soon will be, on my official course site, my stand store for electrical training. Just go to the web address that you see at the bottom of this slide, https://stand.store/GVB. In order to help you with your holiday orders, we're excited to announce a new promotion for the 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 Power Bank series, launching in both the United States and in Canada. This campaign features an extra 20% off on selected items, making it a great opportunity to highlight 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂's portable charging solutions during this final sales window of the year. In the United States, for 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂's Power Bank series, you can get an extra 20% off on selected items from December 23rd to December 31st. Simply connect to this link, https://us.ecoflow.com/collections/powerbank. And in Canada, for 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂's Power Bank series, you can also get a 20% off on selected items from December 23rd to December 31st simply by connecting to this link, https:// ca.ecoflow.com/collections/power bank.